Dito na din kami. Babalik na naman dito sa aming static caravan. Hindi siya masyadong sunny as the other day, pero okay lang din kasi hindi umuulan. Thank you Lord, arrive here safely. And here we go. Hubby is driving today. He's driving because the man is coming to check our gas. We already scheduled today. They're coming to check. So palit na naman tayo ng beddings, guys, dito sa children's room. Hindi ko pa natapos doon sa big bedroom. Ito muna inuna ko sa children's room. Tapos na yung isa dyan. Ito na lang. Yan guys, tapos na. Nililinis ko na lang yung ano dyan, mga glass doors. Tapos na dito sa children's room. Dito na naman tayo sa big bedroom. Lagyan ko siya ng ano, fitted sheet muna. Lagyan ko muna siya ng fitted sheet kaya hindi makikita. Guys, so yan, lagyan ko muna siya ng fitted sheet. Yan guys, nilagyan ko na siya ng fitted sheet. Ito na, itong dalawang apat na pillow each. Kunin ko na lang ito, kapal na blanket, very thick blanket. Lagay ko itong mga butonis niya. Parang narinig ko tapos na yung ano, yung washing na mat. Kasi nilaban ko yung dalawang mat doon sa likod. Mat na naman ang i-replace ko doon sa tumble dryer pag na-dry na yung guys, pag na-dry na yung nasa tumble dryer ng mga alas 2 na alis ako siguro dito ng mga 3:30. Sleep ko bibiran ko na lang dusting. Yan, tapos na siya. Yan guys, tapos na kung naglagay ng beddings. Yan, may mag-stay mamayang gabi hanggang sa Sunday. So yan, tapos na rin yung sa other room. Natay ko ng ilaw guys, tapos isarado ko na siya dito. Tapos na rin, thank you Lord, natapos na. Mag-over na lang ako, quick over, tapos mag-linis sa kusina. out the water supply, drain down domestic hot and cold water system. Yan ang gas na chine-check niya guys. Guys, ito I'm cooking sweet potato chips. Ito siya, nilagyan ko siya ng a little bit salt, a little bit of paprika, a spray of olive oil, and a little bit of pepper. I'll cook this for like 15 to 20 minutes. I slice this in like really big chunks. Yun, I just spray it with olive oil. This is for me and James' dinner. Ang sweet potato chips, while waiting for the sweet potato chips to cook, I already made an omelette to go with it. This omelette is had some onion, chopped onions, mushrooms, and a little bit of cheese. And here we have 2 baking potatoes, guys. I made these 2, one for Rihanna and one for Abby. So they will be having baked potato with beans and ham for Abby, and then for Rihanna, baked potato with ham, cheese, and beans, and maybe some of that salad as well. Ito guys, yung kay Rihanna, nilagyan ko na siya ng cheese and ham. Hinihintay na lang yung beans. Wino-warm up ko muna ang beans. Si Abby ayaw niya ng cheese, so ano lang sa kanya, potato, ham, and beans. Ito yung beans guys na ina-warm up ko siya. Ano na siya, ready na. Grabe yung steam. Yan na guys, ready na yung food ni Rihanna. Meron ng cheese, ham, and beans, at saka kukunting salad. Kasi hindi siya masyado sa salad, so a little bit salad for her. And that's it. Her meal is ready. Her dinner is ready. She's going to get Abby's food ready as well. Yan guys, Abby's food is ready. She had baked potato with ham and beans and a little bit of salad. So that's her meal. Yan guys, ready na ang pagkain ni James. James' meal is ready. And I put some more cheese. I add a little bit more cheese because he really likes cheese. And this is the sweet potato chips that I baked in the oven earlier on. And this one, salad, and also she had some like coleslaw. This one. Yeah, that's what I put. And that's it. That's it. His meal is ready. And I only need to put a little bit of salad cream on the top. So that will be his meal, his dinner sorted. my tea will be later on because I'm still going to cook some rice. And also, I have some marinated chicken. I'm going to make some chicken adobo as well. So I just made their meal first because it's a bit quick